Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of a new quote-unquote permanent partner visa associated with the proposed Citizenship Act of 2021, U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021. This is sort of being proposed, this legislation. I have some notes here I'm reading. And one of the things that they've kind of been talking about is this notion of a permanent partner visa. And this seems to be, it would create this category to allow people to sponsor and receive immigration benefits. It seems to be designed for adult couples unable to marry in their jurisdiction. And that would seem to imply possibly same-sex couples. For example, there could be folks here in Thailand Thailand does not recognize same-sex marriage, at least presently, although it has been discussed at length many, many times. And I think probably sometime in this decade it will happen. Exactly when remains to be seen. But for now, it's not possible to go into Thailand or to use you can't get married in Thailand. So, what are you going to do? Well, there is actually a method of dealing with this. It's called a K-1 fiancé visa. But they seem in this act to possibly be trying to broaden it out, because K-1 fiancé visas can only be utilized by American citizens. If a permanent resident of the United States has one of these quote-unquote permanent partners and they just can't get married, and thereby they can't get married in some offshore jurisdiction outside the United States, and thereby they can't use that as the basis to file for a preference petition for immigration benefits as the spouse of a permanent resident, then this permanent partner provision that's being proposed might allow that type of individual or that person in that set of circumstances to go ahead and gain immigration benefits. Again, all of this remains to be seen. It's sort of up in the air, but I thought this was rather interesting. It would put a new complexion on family-based immigration moving forward.